In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line break in Mailchimp. If you are editing an email in Mailchimp, there are actually two common ways to create a line break, and each one serves a different purpose. One is useful when you simply want text to move on to the next line without creating a whole new paragraph. The other is better when you want a visible divider line to separate sections of your email and improve the overall layout. I will walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that fits your design. To get started, open Mailchimp and go to the left-hand menu. From there, select Campaigns. Once you are in the Campaigns area, open the email campaign you want to work on, and enter the editor. This is where you will make the changes to your email content. Let's start with a soft line break, which is the best option when you want text to drop to the next line but keep the spacing tight. In the editor, click into a text block so your cursor is active inside the content. Then place your cursor exactly where you want the line to split. Instead of pressing Enter by itself, press Shift and Enter at the same time. This creates a new line without starting a new paragraph, so you won't get that extra spacing that usually appears between paragraphs. This is especially useful for things like addresses, short lists, or any text where you want cleaner line spacing. Now let's look at the second option, which is adding a horizontal divider line. This is more of a visual break than a text formatting change. In the campaign editor, go to the Content Blocks panel on the right side. Find the divider block, then drag and drop it into your layout, wherever you want that visual separation to appear. Once it's in place, click on the divider to customize it. You can adjust things like the thickness, color, style, and padding, so it matches the look of your email. This can help organize your content and make different sections easier for readers to scan. So, if you want a simple line break in text, use Shift plus Enter. If you want a visible line between sections, use the divider block. Both tools are easy to use, and knowing the difference can help you build cleaner, more polished Mailchimp emails. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.